Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yeah. There, people. There. Even though we don't feel too good, we there said we. Okay, you don't know if you support who support we. Fully bad. Big up yourself for dropping a sub on the channel, bro. Big up yourself. I have some of them artists I feel some man have to react to them song. We don't have to react to some of the song in a brother because some of the song are dirty in a dog. Not good enough. You see me? So big up the G them, we are support back the G, we are support them. You see me? Artists, when they can drop on the ego sometime, man. Drop it and broke it, man. That's why some of them are gonna be a bomb buckler. Fully bad! They are with championship, positiveness, no war song. Well, I hope not. Yeah. No war song this. So we are go there and we are gonna support Fully bad. We not stop supporting, not because him not war now, physically or lyrically. We not drop no catch with Fully bad. You see me? So big up the team behind that one, yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
Hold if I fight to get still, you know.
Team upgrade, big up.
Hold it out.
Nah, change entertainment, big up. Boss a chain.
Greatness in a win, no feelings, no in a this. Them a gang up and a fight, but it's still a win. History we create, could the flame, mama bring a sting. Put respect for my name, all the way a king. Champion, championship.
Yo.
All the way a king. Champion.
I like this already. I'm gonna tell you why me like this already. Look on Fully bad. Fully bad have on whole heap of medals, see me? But look on the people them around him. Them have a medal too. Everybody around him have a medal. You know what that mean? The whole team a champion behind the G. The whole bad gang hey! And the boss I show you something else in the scene right here saying the dog. Picture this. No matter your age. Cause I told you them here now. No matter your age, you're a champion. No matter your sex, cause one girl right here so she a champion. See the G them run the G? Champion. Fully bad brother himself run the so? Champion. So the boss I tell you say yo, believe in yourself, yo. Could the fame when bring a sting? Who would have thought that? Champion. Buckler. Positive.
Hold if I fight to get still, you know.
Positive.
Hold
no joke.
I think me I'm firm, bro. We know that, isn't it? That's cool. Greatness in a win, no feelings, no in a this.
No feelings.
Gang up and a fight, but it's still a win. History we create, could the flame, mama bring a sting. Put respect for my name, all the way a king. Champion, championship.
Fully bad.
Champion, championship.
Yeah.
Darkness for my heart, bandless for my kidney. Greatness for my picnic, cut out for victory.
Buckler.
Darkness for my heart, bandless for my kidney. Greatness for my picnic, cut out for victory. Cement my name, column on a building. Out of dancehall, overheat engine.
Cement my name, column on a building. The boss I tell you same cement your name, I'm a column in this now. Not a building, I'm a column. Can't push him over. He's here to stay, he supports the building. Remember, so the column them support the building in the dark. So the boss I tell you.
Cement my name, column on a building. Nope. Out of dancehall, overheat engine. No play with mine, I'm about the business. No trust mankind, so I carry this with me. Protect my lad, cause them a try to sink me. Band fighter this still, come here. Champion, championship.
Legendary.
Champion.
Championship.
Buckler. Hold up. Hold up. Salute!
Hold if I fight to get still, you know.
Hold up!
Fuck! Hold it out.
Believe in yourself, people. Anything we have got you, just know that somebody else out there have it 10 times harder than you. But keep your head up, see me. Go and work. Believe. Yeah. Definitely. When we bring a sting.
Put respect for my name, all the way a king.
Definitely.
Champion.
Kings and queens.
Fully.
Champion.
Positive
Buckler message. I'm going to see how we're going to react to this.
Darkness for my heart, bandless for my kidney, greatness for my picnic, cut out for...
Me I go see who I go flag about this, talk about this. Put this on them channel. Me I go see who I go do it. And see if we're a champion. Cause no found no bomb buckler jump on, you know. Hold up again. Oh, sick lad. Fully body hear this, you know.
Only if I fight to get still, you know.
Fully body hear this, man.
Hold it out.
And when me talk more time, I don't want a man take my thing personal, you know, dog. When me talk more while and say, yo, some man just they are feeling negative and thing. Me don't want a man, if you don't want to take it personal, I phone business too, you know, dog. Cause some man too emotional too, you know, brother. Yeah, if the cap just wear it, that's it. Yeah, man. Now beg a boy. Man, a champion out here. Ready?
Greatness in a win, no feelings, no in a this.
No.
No gang up on a fight, but it's still a win. History we create could the flame
when me bring a sting.
Put respect for my name while we are king. Champion, championship.
Fully.
Up there. Championship. Yeah.
Darkness for my heart, bandless for my kidney, greatness for my picnic, cut out for victory. Cement my name, column on a building, out of dancehall, overheat engine.
Overheat
with mine, I'm about the business, no trust mankind. Some carry this with me, protect my lad, cause them a try to sink me. Band fighter this still, come here. Championship.
Buckler.
Champion.
Yeah.
Championship. Want to fight them fight and never yet win. Rise and make them see. Be a champion. Championship.
Uptown.
Yeah, fully.
Get a youth we a champ, full of medal like champs. Them say we now make it, we gon' prove them wrong. So one bad god and one bad gang. System of pressure, me a talk about me a done.
Because the man say, yo, bad, fully bad and bad gang. The system of pressure, him a talk say him a done. Brother, you know much artists come out and say them a this and say them a that. Look on Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer. It doesn't mean he's a killer. It doesn't mean he's a killer. When Mad Cabra say him a Mad Cabra, it doesn't mean he's a snake. You don't mean them something there? You see me? So, system when you can ease up half of the youth, man.
Champion.
Ease up, man.
Uptown.
Get a youth we a champ, full of medal like champs. Them say we now make it, we gon' prove them wrong. Chuma say one bad god and one bad gang. System of pressure, me a talk about me a done. Motor fight, my fight, I fi still stay strong. Want a craving if you smoke, that kill depression. Never weak out and me I feel the pressure. Skill for there. No me step a chema.
Giant.
Champion.
Step a chema.
Championship.
Giant step. Buckler.
Championship. Want to fight them fight and never yet win. Rise and make them see. Be a champion.
Uppercut.
Championship.
Every get to you.
Yeah, man.
Team upgrade.
When you are with them, gon' try at you. Look at faith and prayer do. You travel with the fire.
Believe.
Now change.
Believe. Yeah, man.
Bad gang.
Bumbo clock. Believe.
Championship.
Believe. Championship.
Want to fight them fight and never yet win.
No.
Rise and make them see. Be a championship.
Love that song, I love that song, no joke. New Year started a bang fully.
Legend.
Yeah, man. Big up the youth, them out there, we are holding. We are all firm, no matter how much pressure them under, them still are all firm. I'm not about don't forget nothing. You see me?
Yo.
Big up the girls them out there, we are all it, we are all firm, same way. Them not talk to certain man, we are going guns them out to certain things. You see me? Believe in yourself. 24 hours a get work.
Believe.
Hard work.
That are the money.
Believe. You see me? Preservation, patience. You see me? Yeah, man, commitment, sacrifices. That's so. No matter what your age, anything you chase, go and chase it. Dream and wake up and dream again. You see me? Yeah, fully. Big up your bumbuckler self. Big up yourself fully. Love that song, bro. Well done to start the new year like this, bro. You see me? Yeah. You end the new year with a bang. Literally. There. Right now. I drop them song, bro. Fully. Big up your fucking self, bro. Believe, bro. It's just up and up and up, bro. A year time, bro, no pussy can't tappy. No boy can't tappy thing. No girl can't tappy thing. You see me? Yeah. If you don't want to see some more positive songs from Fully, please make sure so you click on one of these videos on the screen right now. You see me? And you can see them. You see me? Fully time, man. A fully time. You see me? But you have some boy only look on Fully when time war go on. If no war not go on, nobody no business. But me there you see me and me support you. Respect for the sub where you sub on the channel to Fully. Big up yourself. Not your entertainment, big up on yourself. You see me? Yeah, man. Team upgrade, big up on yourself too. Yeah. Fully, big up yourself. There. Outside.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica Worst Gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.